Want to master Agentic AI and build intelligent AI systems? Here's your step-by-step roadmap to becoming an expert. Phase 1, Building a strong AI foundation. Start with Python, the backbone of AI. Learn data types, functions, loops, and object-oriented programming. Explore machine learning concepts like regression, classification, and clustering. Get hands-on experience with Scikit-Learn. Learn how AI understands human language with NLP. Work with NLTK and spaCy for tokenization and text processing. Phase 2, Deep Learning and Generative AI. Discover the power of transformers, BERT, and GPT models. Learn how they revolutionize AI conversations. Create AI-generated content using GANs, VAEs, and Stable Diffusion. The future of AI creativity starts here. Phase 3, Mastering Agentic AI. Understand how AI agents make decisions and adapt to their environment. Learn about multi-agent collaboration, retrieval-augmented generation, and planning algorithms. Build intelligent AI applications using LangChain, CrewAI, and AutoGen. Phase 4, Advanced AI topics. Discover how AI agents work together using game theory and reinforcement learning. Stay ahead in AI by following research, joining AI communities, and experimenting with new models. This roadmap is your path to mastering Agentic AI. Follow the steps, start coding, and become an AI expert. Subscribe for more AI content.